In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to file a 1099 NEC form on FreeTaxUSA. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to freetaxusa.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, you'll simply need to create an account or log into your already existing account, and then from here your dashboard should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll need to navigate over to the income section over here, and once you click on that, you'll need to head down to business and rental income. From here you'll be able to see the 1099 NEC right here, and you'll just simply need to click on it like so. Once from here, you'll need to add in 1099 NEC by clicking right here, and from here you'll need to choose the form of 1099 NEC and click save and continue. Once from here you'll be able to enter it manually. You can upload as a file directly from your computer, or you can scan your 1099 NEC directly with your phone and then paste it into FreeTaxUSA. Once from here you'll simply need to click either one of these that is most suitable for you, and from here you'll need to write in your details that is inside of your 1099 NEC form. Once you've done that, you'll need to go down over to income again, and then from here you'll need to add in a business income or Schedule C. You can find that over here in the income section and business income. From here you'll simply need to click on it, and then from here you'll need to add in a business and simply go over your Schedule C. From here you'll be able to enter in your expenses, and lastly you'll be able to review everything and then send it into as an e-file to IRS. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!